all of you to mute yourself. Welcome all. Hope you are doing well in this tough period. I thank everyone for attending this session in a short span. Let the session be very interactive and you are free to post all your queries in the chat. Our team will help you in clarifying all your doubts by the end of the session. I think all of us are very eager in learning new courses and new technologies, especially in this. But it's not the time for us to take rest, and we should remember that there are very crucial days for our country as well as our careers. I think we have got the best time to concentrate in learning the new and emerging technologies. Don't stuck to bookish knowledge. Try to apply knowledge you gain through these technologies at right time. No matter what our CGPA is, you do wonders if you're capable of learning the leading and emerging technologies. In this competitive world, you should compete yourself and try to learn as much as possible. And always remember that no one is perfect. We are all learners. And there is a famous saying that knowledge is like an ocean. The deep you dive, the more you will discover. But at end of your life, our knowledge is like a drop in ocean. Hope all of you join. Let us start our actual session and know about Salesforce. And good morning, guys. Salesforce learners. Today, we are going to learn about the world's leading CRM platform, Salesforce, that brings companies and customers together. In the recent years, there has been a big surge in cloud computing technologies. One such technology which has had an immense impact on the world of computing is Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud platform who provide platform as service and software as service. As of 2017, Salesforce has had over 150,000 customers across the world, among which include Amazon, Adidas, American Express, and many more. In the world of CRM, Salesforce dominates with a 19.7% market share. In its closest competitors SAP 6.5% and Oracle 7.1% and Microsoft 4.0% are far behind. Today, many companies are developing their application on Salesforce platform or migrating to Salesforce. This has increased the demand of Salesforce developers and administrators. Currently, Salesforce architect is one of the hottest skills to have on a tech resume. For tech giants like Google and Facebook to a nearby call center, all of them use Salesforce services and products to solve their problems. Salesforce is in the cloud, so we can use it from anywhere with access to internet. Salesforce seamlessly integrate with third-party apps. If you want to integrate Salesforce with Gmail, you can do it. If you want to integrate it with your accounting software, you can do that too. On the other hand, integration is tough with other CRMs. Salesforce is affordable, especially if we consider its vast variety of capabilities. Even startups and small business can use Salesforce. Salesforce.com is based on a multi-tenant architecture and metadata architecture. This means that multiple customers share common technology and all run on the latest release. You don't have to worry about the application or infrastructure upgrades. They happen automatically. This helps our organization focus on innovation rather than managing technology. The benefits of Salesforce are it's reliable, easy to use, efficient reporting, multi-tenant platform, scalable, collaboration, and hassle-free. If you want to learn any new technology or coding language, it may take 6 months or more to excel in that. But learning Salesforce is very easy. If you can afford 5 to 6 hours a day, within a month or two, you can become a Salesforce developer. And with some more practice, you can apply it in real time also. Till date, there are no training centers for for learning Salesforce. We have to learn it by our own, creating our developer and in Trailhead playgrounds. And Trailhead is a Salesforce free online learning platform devoted entirely to teach people how to use Salesforce. Education, which was launched in 2014, comes in 3 levels. It contains modules, trails, and units. If you choose Salesforce as your future, there is no doubt that you are going to be in one of the leading roles in the marketing cloud. Initially, you may getting 2 to 3 lakhs per annum as a fresher, but within very short span, it will be increased to 5 to 8 lakhs based on your experience. The hike will be in the ratio of 2 is to 4 and 4 is to 8 and so on. By 2025, Salesforce is going to provide about 2.5 million jobs in the world, and it's a good thing that mostly 30 to 40% are going to be hired in from India. Now, my teammate Anita will tell you in detail about what is Salesforce and its CRM platform and its components.
Thank you, Harsha. Good morning, everyone. I am Vinita. Till now,